If I did, I'd get this morning. Get demons in my foot. Why make sure set the more can say it? Yo, what? Mr. Mina say that here, man.
Hey.
Hey, man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Yeah, what people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know? Blessed manners and respect each and everyone. I'm going to talk about certain things and present a certain amount of videos to you in this video. The first video that I want to talk about, viewers and subscribers, is going to show a damaged motor vehicle. How that motor vehicle got damaged, I don't know. I don't have any confirmed information to determine how the motor vehicle got damaged, even though me hear at least one person say some words in the video. But those words that the person said in my point of view might not be confirmed information. But anyways, the video caught my attention because of something that happened where the damaged motor vehicle caught the attention of some persons when something happened. My people, I think it would be best if you look at the video for yourself. Observe.
Camera like a jacket, you know. That car turn over for the head. Are you not there, puppy? The flick video. Yeah, come on, I'm shocking there. This is shocking. It's a roadway, it's a car roadway. It's a roadway. Come on, man. The car come. Lord of His mercy. Hey, no moving. Pull up your hand. No,
So the damaged motor vehicle moved. And it touched a motor vehicle that was in front of it, my people. So I say, yeah, it's set away. Me notice somebody even got out of a motor vehicle. See. And so when it comes down to someone saying certain type of words to you, don't take it lightly. Don't take it lightly. My people, in the next video that I'm about to present to you, you can hear a person who was holding an object, saying some words to someone. And the words that me the person said in that video have me thinking. See? I wouldn't take the words that the person said in that video lightly. Me not underestimate nobody at all. No, sir, me not underestimate no one. See? So, my people, look and listen to this video. Tell me what you think. Observe. Listen.
Yeah, give for it up.
Where you take me up? If I did, I'd get this morning. Get demons in my foot. Why make sure set the more can say it? Yo, what? Mr. Mina say that here, man.
Hey.
I'm afraid that you're dead in my mind. Give me up, number one. I'm killing this brother. What yeah, they can't kill me up. And that blood clot back. Let me take one good chop off of your blood clot and pick it. You road come to you like on the attacks. Road come to me. You make me kill you before you. One chop, one tap. And nobody can tap it. I better tell me that. I people want to see a phone in me. I don't just kill you in the war. Remember me tell you now.
What God again?
I don't kill you before evil done me. I kill you and run away. I'm not sure it's a minute and I don't chat. I don't want them to work on this. I am dead man now, you know. I want to see you.
How will you? Me say me people, me not underestimate nobody. I don't underestimate no one, and if me hear a person say certain words, me not take it lightly. Depending on the words that the person said. I think me hear someone say certain words too as well to it. Anyways, my people, what do you think about a situation like that? Would you take the words that a person said in that video lightly? Leave a comment or comments and let me know. So I got information and I saw pieces of videos about a situation where it said that a person had been killed at a location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. But my people, based on some words that I read in news articles about the situation and according to news reports that I watched and listened to, allegedly the person had been shot and killed by a person who is said to be a law enforcer or a police officer. And allegedly, the person who is said to be a law enforcer was trying to make an arrest or was attempting to arrest the person when certain things happened. Now, the reason why I explain it like that, viewers and subscribers, is because the videos that I watched did not show the person wearing a full police uniform. So it is said that the person who had been killed, 2 hands had been handcuffed together. And it is said that while the person who allegedly said to be a law enforcer was holding a gun, the other person whose hands had been handcuffed together was basically resisting, and there was a struggle between those 2 persons. And then at some point, at least one explosion could be heard. And it is said that the person had been injured. So, based on more information put out there, it is said that the person had been pronounced dead at some point, my people. Now, I'm going to present to you what I call an edited video about the situation, so that you can have some form of understanding about the situation. But I want you to please bear in mind that this edited video shows a person holding what is believed to be a gun, or was holding an object that is believed to be a gun. The video shows some things that happened during the struggle between those 2 persons, and you can also hear an explosion in the video, but I somewhat edit the video to keep it as family friendly as possible. Some comments that have been made on social media gave me the understanding that there are persons who made comments about how the situation had been handled by the person who was holding the object or was holding what is believed to be a gun. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about a situation like this. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this edited video. Observe with me.
Relax yourself.
Relax yourself.
Watch me. One of Paul, it's 8.
Wait, stop! My mother got for me! My mother got for me! My name is Murico. Hey, where is that one, man?
You want it? You want it? You want it?
Relax yourself.
Let me go.
Man, don't you handcuffed already?
Relax yourself.
Everybody, man, so shoot me, man. You shoot me now.
Hey.
But you shoot me, man.
Hey, relax yourself.
But the man shooting me, man.
Relax yourself.
But I show me.
Relax yourself.
Hey, I
you
show.
cannot shoot in front of everybody here. Where
But
you
I
going?
show about you,
Relax
man.
yourself.
But I'm crying to kill me, man.
Relax yourself.
Man, not me, man. Where's the man getting on?
Hey, relax yourself. Look how much people here, dog. Look how much people here.
No. I'm so man. Oh, let go, let go. Hey, the man want to kill me, man.
Boy, relax yourself.
But hey, I show man. Hey, show. What's up going on, man? What's up, man?
Relax yourself.
Hey, so wait till me.
Relax yourself.
Man, let me go, man. Man, no. Man, let me go, man. Man, let me go, man. Hey. Man, let me go. Charles, man, let me go, man.
Relax yourself, boy.
Man, no, man. No, man.
Hey.
Relax yourself.
That's how things get. Yes, so some comments on social media gave me the understanding about how some person might be thinking about a situation like that. In my point of view, the situation look away. I'm wondering certain things about the situation. I don't want to jump to the conclusion and then go say what's and so and so. But the situation look away, and it's just sad, you know? It's just sad. But anyways, that's another topic right there, some people. You see? So, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. So, the next video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when police look inside of a bag or police search inside of a bag. I got the understanding that someone was walking with that bag, or what some people might call a type of bag. I'm going to say, in my point of view, this video is a clear example of when a person is innocent and just comply with police. That's what I see, but you tell me what you think about this situation. Observe.
Yeah, my dog, go on ahead. I have a couple more apart, man. Look at that. I have a couple more apart, man. I want to jam me down, you know, bro. So special, my dress make me jam me down. I'm blind, you know, bro. I'm blind, you know. I'm blind, my dog.
What's your name? I want to say something to you now. When I see you with them, they might chat him on my phone. I would give him one. See you like when you dress the same to get.
No, I'm not in them type of fashion, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. When you see a foreign drip this, you see no man I wear them things. Stop that. I mean, I know. Who is the dude? I tell them that. Them man are mad to put this judge a dog.
Well, I will listen to some words that I've been said in the video, my people. So I say, yeah, may listen to some of the words that I've been said in that video, you know. Sometimes, you know, when it comes down to being stopped by police and so forth, just try your best to just move in a humble way and just be alright. I mean, listen to some words said in that video. You can actually hear how the person was responding and so forth, eh? But anyways, you have good and bad in every situation. As I say, you have some persons who behave good, you have some persons who don't behave good. And no matter if you're a police or not, there's good and bad in every situation. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla!